Hi guys. I'm sorry that I haven't been making videos in a long time. I just didn't have the time, and right now I'm going to show you how to install games on any flip phone, games or apps or anything on any flip phone. So what you have to do is you have to go to this very useful site. It's called boostapps.com. You have to go to it on your flip phone. Like for this you have to have data, and you have to go to it on your flip phone, and then you have to go to it on your computer. So what you have to do is you have to find the game or app you want. Then you have to click on it. It'll go up to a page, and then you have to scroll down a little bit until you see a jump code. It is either a 3 or 4 digit code, and then that's where the phone comes in. So what you have to do is you have to go to boostapps.com on your phone and then you have to put in the app, and then the jump code, and then you have to click jump. There's going to be a button after the text box, below the text box. Yeah. And so then you have to go down and click download, and sometimes it'll say it's not supported, but you can download it anyway, and then the flip phone will prompt you if you want to open the game or app now or later. You can just play with it now or later. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye.